takes the satellites to space? Everybody knows rockets. But have you ever thought which is the most powerful rocket in payload capacity? In this list, we include current powerful rockets, rockets from the past, and rockets are in development. So friends, before we get started, please follow and like our page. We publish video every day. Falcon Heavy of SpaceX is currently the most powerful rocket in the world. The height of the rocket is 230 feet and has max payload capacity to low Earth orbit is 140,700 pounds. There are 27 Merlin 1D engines and each of 3 boosters produces 1.7 million pounds of thrust. The boosters are reusable and landed safely after separation. Next is Delta IV Heavy. It was introduced in January 2004 and it is currently in service. The rocket has max payload to low Earth orbit is 63,470 pounds. The height of this rocket is 236 feet. Next is Space Shuttle. Height of Space Shuttle is 184.2 feet and max payload to low Earth orbit is 60,000 pounds. Space Shuttles Atlantis, Challengers, Columbia, Discovery and Endeavour launched a total of 135 times between 1981 to 2011. Energia from Russia launched just 2 flights from May 1987 to November 1988. The max payload to low Earth orbit is 220,000 pounds. The Saturn V is the most powerful rocket built to date. It was launched between November 1967 to May 1973. The height of the rocket is 363 feet and max payload to low Earth orbit is 310,000 pounds. The rocket successfully launched 13 times from Kennedy Space Center. It is also used in Apollo moon mission, includes Apollo 11 in 1969 and also carried Skylab into orbit in 1973. Now let's see the in-development rockets. The Space Launch System SLS is in development. The max payload to low Earth orbit is 209,000 pounds, Block 1, and 290,000 pounds, Block 2. The SLS is developed for NASA's Orion program, which takes astronauts to Moon and Mars. The Block 1 uses solid rocket boosters and capable to lift 95 metric tons into low Earth orbit. Next is Starship O Super Heavy. It is the launch vehicle and spacecraft system designed to carry people to Mars. The height of the rocket is 387 feet and the max payload to low Earth orbit is 220,000 pounds or more. Next is Blue Origin's New Glenn. The height of the rocket is 230 feet and max payload to low Earth orbit is 140,700 pounds. The New Glenn is in development and it might launch in 2021. There are 9 BE-4 engines and first stage can produce 3.85 million pounds of thrust. Like SpaceX's Falcon 9 and Falcon Heavy, the New Glenn is designed to reusable. If you got a chance, where will you want to go with the rocket? Stay connected, be updated.
Subscribe IQ Facts and hit the bell button if you love